Alright, in this video, this will be a 6-month review of my Wahl hair cutting trimmers. I like these. These are actually, it's a good name brand. One of the things I really like about it is the fact that they color code all these, because I use the number 1 and the number 2 and then go right to it because it's red and purple. Makes it so much easier than having a whole bunch of black ones jammed in and you gotta like pick through and figure out which ones you want. So that's a plus. Like I said, the clippers work great. They're corded, which I like that because I don't have to worry about the battery running down on me in the middle of the haircut. You get scissors, you get a comb, you get the oil, you get some other attachments. So for hair cutting, I don't need any of this kind of stuff, but I'll let you read the directions at the end. But one of the things I see a lot in the comments is that the clippers are too loud. If you have headphones on, kind of back off a little bit because I'm going to turn this on and show you how to adjust these. That's pretty much normal there. It's not super loud, but there's an adjustment screw right here. If this is in too far, it's going to be really loud. It's going to be, are you ready for this? It's going to be loud. What you do is you just keep back. If it's loud like that, you just back this screw off a little bit until it's not as loud. And sometimes when you're cutting your hair, it gets loud for a second or two, and you just do the same thing. You just kind of back that screw off just a little bit, and that'll solve the problem. Plus, you got to oil them too. If you haven't oiled them in a while, that can make a lot of noise too, so you should put some oil on there. Other than that, I love these things. I highly recommend them. Like I said, I'll let you read the directions here at the end of the video. You just have to pause the video where you want to read. Get the light to stop glaring off of it, you might be able to see it. Anyways, I hope this helps. You all have a wonderful day.